onions with vegetable oil. My children are picky. Pureed onions. Have some curry powder, some bay leaf. Mix it up. Allow it to saute. So I have tomato puree. Let's allow it to fry properly. So today we're making plain tomato stew. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bouillion. If today is your first time of seeing my video, then you're welcome. In this video we are going to be making a plain delicious beef tomato stew. Okay, I started by cooking the tomatoes. So I have curry powder, thyme and garlic powder. So I started by cooking the tomatoes, frying it. It's already cooking because that is where the work lies. Okay, if you make a delicious broth but the tomatoes is not properly cooked, it's not going to taste delicious. I'm going to season the meat with salt and bouillon. So here we have onion blend with pepper, fresh garlic, ginger, add more water, and then we start cooking our meat over the pot and let it cook. Look at our tomatoes. Okay, is it done? No. We are going to give it more time. Okay, so it will fry properly and the oil will start popping up. By the time at this point the tomatoes is ready. Okay, I'll start first. Once again, I'm going to season. Some salt. Meat. Let's mix, stir our food. The stew is delicious. Okay, add your seasoning and adjust. Our stew is ready and it's time to plate it. So today we prepared a delicious tasty, simple but delicious Nigerian tomato beef stew. Here is our beef stew. Delicious, inviting for your white rice, for eating your bread. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless you.